Leaders in electrical non-metallic tubing (ENT) represents a versatile solution for housing and protecting electrical wiring. Key features and advantages of ENT include flexibility. ENT is highly flexible, allowing it to bend and roll easily around obstacles without the need of specialized tools or fittings. Lightweight. The lightweight nature of ENT simplifies handling and installation, reducing labor costs and making it ideal for applications where weight is a concern. Fire resistance. Leaders ENT is designed to be flame retardant, with F2 flame rating certified. Impact resistance. While lightweight, ENT is designed to offer sufficient impact resistance to protect the enclosed wiring from damage. Easy of installation. It's lightweight, hand-bendable, and packed in reels, making it easy to install, saving time and labor costs. Standards complied. UL 1653, CSA C22.2, number 227.1. Applications: residential wiring in walls, ceilings, and floors. Commercial buildings. Follow us for more.